I like the gold against the blue because it gives you your contrast of warm and cool. This is your cool, this is your warm. So always when you're doing painting, try to do, it's called a warm cool push, which means you put cool against warm, and that's what gives you your 2D look. It gives you some depth in your painting. I like the lines here, so I'm going to leave them. I think they turned out all right. Don't want too much of them. Don't want like a pattern. That's one thing, you don't want like a pattern.